wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is when you see the title. So if you guys want to know about the latest launches that are coming out and if you should bother picking them up, let's go. Okay, so the first thing I see here, new Glow Reviver Lip Oil from e.l.f. Cosmetics, nourishing tinted lip oil with a high shine finish, an ultra glossy tinted lip oil that nourishes, hydrates, and enhances your lips' natural color, non-sticky, plush, oversized cushion applicator, hugs lips, fresh minty scent, 8 dual hairs. Yeah, I would try it. It's only $8 and e.l.f. very rarely lets you down. Pumpkin spice. Weird notification. I see the different colors going on. Now y'all know e.l.f. loves to dupe other brands. So I'm trying to figure out, is this supposed to be a Laneige dupe, a Merit lip oil dupe, a Juvia's Place, ColourPop? I'm not sure who they're trying to dupe with this one, but I feel like it's somebody. But their dupes be hitting. So would I try this? Yes, I would, and it's only $8. Okay, available now, new hair and body fragrance mist from Fleur. 8 ounces for $35 or 3 ounces for $20. I see vanilla, skin, hair and body, amber, haze, hair and body, and mango mood, hair and body. I would try it, not in my hair, but for the body, I would try it. You know, y'all know I love me some vanilla. And the other scents seem like they would smell good too. You know, let's get back to the basics, okay? Because nowadays, everyone's too good for body mists and whatnot. Let's get back to it. Let's go ahead and try it again. You know, we've evolved with everything else. We've evolved with the perfume, with the lotions. Maybe this is an evolve of body mist. I would try one, at least one. It's not that much. And I've heard good things about this brand, so if I had to pick, I'd probably pick up Vanilla Skin. Okay, it wouldn't be that long before we saw Disney was collabing with someone else. Disney said, we're not gonna give y'all no new TV shows. We're just going to give you the same things over and over with different brands, and that'll make up for, I guess, generations to come. They have a new collection, Nightmare Before Christmas, with Spectrum Collections. The whole bundle is 170 dual hairs. Packaging, of course, is very cute. Okay, revealed new holiday 2023 collection from House Labs. Includes iLibrary talc-free eyeshadow palette for 49 dual hairs. Mini PhD lip oil trio set for $29. Atomic Shake long-lasting liquid lipstick set for $39. Their lip oil, was it the lip oils? It was the lip oils or the lipsticks that made some noise a couple months ago. Like shades were out of stock, stuff like that. This brownie vampy shade, if I got anything that you see pictured here, it would be that. I don't remember how the formula was. I did swatch it in store, but just off the shade alone, yeah. Okay, limited edition Fruit Fetish lip oil shade from Milani Cosmetics. Fruit Fetish Cranberry Line and Shine Duo lip retails for $13.49. It comes with a full-size Fruit Fetish and Cranberry Currant and a full-size Color Statement lip liner in all natural. The lip liner would do nothing for me. The lip oil is a very pretty color, and I've tried their lip oils. They are good. It's only $13. Just go ahead and get the lip. I mean, unless the lip liner works for you, then go ahead and get the deal. It's only $13 for the two. But if not, just go ahead and get the actual lip oil by itself. Okay, available now, holiday 2023. Let's see. Tom Ford Glow Highlighter, $90. No. Fenty Skin Butter Drop Cinnamon Shimmering Whipped Oil Body Cream for $46. No. I love the body cream. I do not like this scent. It's Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which, love the cereal. I don't want to walk around smelling like that. It's great for this time of year. You guys know they launched the pink body cream. Now that they better bring back for Valentine's Day. I only have 2 left. That one I love. This is the scent for this one. The actual product is very good on your skin. I just don't like the scent of this one. If you do, I'm letting you know it's back in stock. And it retails for $46. Lawless has a jumbo queen size Forget the Lip Filler Plumper Line Smoothing Gloss, $38. I heard this gloss is very good, and y'all know I love me a plumping gloss. $38, but it's a jumbo size? It's a jumbo size. I would get it. I would get it. Actually, I'm getting my cart ready for Sephora, so I'll probably end up putting that in there. And LYS Higher Standard Mini Deluxe Cream Blushes. I don't know if I would get the trio. Is it a trio? Or no, they're just mini sizes. They are a very good product. So if you've been meaning to try it, now that's in a mini size, now would be the time to try it. Am I gonna go ahead and pick any up? Probably not, but it's a very good product. Okay, available now. Hydrating Lip Plumper for 40% fuller lips with a subtle tingle. Jelly cream texture of this clean formula goes on clear via the hourglass applicator and pops illuminating iridescent high glassy shine for 24 dual hairs. Oh, it's from Cali Ray. It's their lip plumper. I have not tried anything from this brand, but I have heard very good things about it. And like I just got done saying, I like a plump gloss. But if I get the other one, I don't need that much lip plumper. I'm black. I would still try it though. I might not try it right now, but at some point will I end up buying this? Probably. Okay, available now. Ethereal eyeshadow palette from Makeup by Mario, Holiday 2023. Limited edition multi-finish eyeshadow palette with 12 shades in suede matte, modern metallic, and glossy shimmer finishes for 68 dual hairs. In the picture, it looks very pretty. I'm not sure if I see this in real life, how it would look, you know, my skin tone. Off this picture though, are they selling me? Yes, and y'all know I don't really rock with eyeshadow like that, but this looks like it would be a very nice everyday palette. It would be a holiday palette, you know, the Christmases, the New Year's Eves are coming. It has my attention. I'd have to see it in store. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. New fragrance, Eilish number 3 from Billie Eilish Fragrances. Will be the last in this collection, limited edition, sweeter, more romantic version. They might get me on this one, because the first two, it's not doing it for me. I know like the first one has riders, but we just gonna have to meet up and square up because it's not doing it. I smelled the first one, and then they came out with the black one, and I was like, oh, maybe I'll like the black one. And I went and I smelled it in store a couple weeks ago. No. Now this one, it's saying sweeter, more romantic version. Maybe, hopefully, this one will be the one that is right up my alley. The packaging for all three sells me. Like I want it just for the packaging, but I don't like how they smell so far. Hopefully this will be the one that I can actually purchase so I can have the bottle and actually like what is inside the bottle. But just something is not doing it for me when it comes to her fragrance. It's just really not. And I've tried. Clearly I am showing that I'm trying because I keep smelling them, wanting to give it a try. It's just not doing it for me. It's not doing it for my body chemistry. Like Ponytail, I blind buy her products because I know I'm going to like smelling it. When I smelled that Pink Cloud one, loved it. No issues with that one. But this brand of fragrances, it's just not working out for me. But this one, I'm intrigued. I would try it out. Okay, this isn't a product, but if you guys did not know, Fenty Beauty is coming to Ulta through Target. So with their new Fenty snacks, an exclusive assortment of bestsellers in minis and sets, plus some viral fan faves starting October 1st. If you go to Ulta in Target, you might be able to find Fenty. I've already checked. Of course, it's not near me, but letting you know if you did not know. Okay, and last thing, sneak peek Holiday 2023 MAC Bazaar Blizzard Bash collection. Includes individual items and sets, lipsticks, brushes, eyeshadow palettes, and more, coming soon. MAC is always going to do it when it comes to packaging, especially for the holiday season. So packaging for this, A+. MAC. That eyeshadow palette, it looks like eyeshadow palette. That's a palette where you would probably get me to buy it just off seeing it online. Mario, might need to go see that in store, but that palette, again, perfect for holiday. You know, that's when you start getting more of the golds, the neutral eyes, stuff like that. The lip products, MAC, you try one MAC lip product, you tried them all. At that point, you're just buying it for the color. I don't know, that eyeshadow palette might see me. But other than that, maybe like one of the lip products would be something else I would buy from this collection. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. I was scrolling for a minute. Actually, one more, because this product in general, we've all seen it around, but I'm just like, I don't get it. So available now, special edition color, the Ceramic Pop Dyson. So Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler Complete Long retails for $599 or $600. And I feel like, have I had someone use a Dyson on me? I think I might have had someone use a Dyson on me like once. And after that experience, like, you know, I was like, oh, I need this at home. You know, do I feel like I need to go replace the, what, $30 Revlon blow dryer that I have? No. But I've also always felt intrigued to try. You know, sometimes you be intrigued to try things. One, because it's popular, and two, because it's expensive. You're like, oh, it's expensive, so it must be really, really, really good, right? And I just said, someone has used a Dyson on me when I went to go get my hair done. But, you know, has life gone on since then? Yes. Like, you know, do I feel like anything changed with my hair after using that and then going back to what I already had? No. But I feel like you'd be like, okay, it's expensive, it's popular, it's still in business, you know, it's they're still, so there must be something about it that you want to try. But I don't know. But yet here I am, still intrigued. Like, I still kind of want, and then the color is very cute, and I'm like, I kind of want to try it. Am I going to though? Yes. If I pop up with a Dyson, I feel like I would still say yes. The $30 Revlon that I had still works just fine. I just felt like spending the $600 to have the Dyson. I feel like I'll end up trying it at some point. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Those are some of the newest things that are coming out that have launched right now. Let me know anything else that is new that I did not mention but you would like to see me check out in the video down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.